Hi, I'm Clarice Grody, the founder of Amplify OT and an occupational therapist. Thank you so much for stopping by my booth here at the virtual Geriatric Therapy Summit. I'm so excited to be presenting here today with so many other amazing experts and occupational therapy practitioners who know so much about geriatric therapy. I'm honored to be a part of them, and I'm so excited for my presentation on Thursday, all about value-based care and reimbursement in post-acute care. Now, for a little bit about Amplify OT. Amplify OT is a company that I started in the fall of 2020, so right in the heat of the COVID-19 pandemic. But it's a company that I started to help other occupational therapy practitioners and students learn all about Medicare policy, healthcare quality initiatives, and advocacy. It's something that I've always been interested in, and especially when I was a new grad, I would hear all these different things about what Medicare supposedly did or didn't cover, and really didn't understand how it was limiting my practice, and I didn't understand why these different things were being put on me, and they were always blamed on Medicare. And as I became a more experienced clinician and learned more about what Medicare actually says, I realized that Medicare wasn't the one holding me back. It was my own lack of knowledge and misunderstanding by others. And so I set out on a mission to make sure that I helped debunk a lot of the myths out there about what Medicare actually covers and the importance of advocacy and getting involved so early, because what happens in DC does not stay there. So Amplify OT is all about helping other OT practitioners and students and other therapy practitioners as well. But you'll see that most of the articles are slated heavily towards occupational therapy. But we talk about all about Medicare policy, primarily in post-acute care. So we're talking about LTACs, inpatient rehab facilities, skilled nursing facilities, home health, with a little bit of Med B, acute care, and hospice thrown in there as well. Now, we're still fairly new, but we're growing. I've got occupational therapy resources available, like the Adult Rehab Guide, which covers every single setting of adult rehab. It talks about the Medicare reimbursement policies in those settings, as well as the occupational therapy's role. So it's a great guide if you're switching to a different setting, or if you're a new grad or a student trying to figure out what setting's right for you, or also if you're in acute care or any of these post-acute settings and you need to know where your patients are going next when you're discharge planning and understand what therapy looks like in those settings. But I've also got coaching sessions to help you work through any problems that you're facing at work, or just want to learn more about Medicare policy and what I do. Or I also am going to be recording new CEUs. I've got new articles coming out all the time, new podcasts, and I'm also looking towards creating a community membership where we can learn and engage in advocacy together. So I'm so excited for all the opportunities that Amplify OT has provided me. I'm so excited to be helping all these people, and I'm excited to be here today to talk to you all. So thanks for stopping by my booth. If I'm not here, I'm going to be back soon, but you can always reach me on social media or at my email, which is cgrody@amplifyot.com, or my website, which is amplifyot.com. Well, thank you so much, and I hope you have an amazing time at the summit.